The 4000 PSI electric pressure washer delivers exceptional cleaning power, making it ideal for tackling heavy-duty tasks like cleaning decks, driveways, and patios. Thanks to its innovative anti-tipping technology, this pressure washer is equipped with 4 independently rotating wheels that provide unparalleled stability and effortless maneuverability. Designed with leak-proof connections, it features a professional metal garden hose connector and a high-quality metal water outlet, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience without leaks. With 4 interchangeable spray nozzles and a 500 milliliter foam cannon, this pressure washer offers versatile cleaning options from light-duty to intense cleaning tasks. Built with a robust and durable motor, the pressure washer is designed to withstand rigorous use, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The Berteckway pressure washer combines power, stability, and versatility, making it a trusted tool for all your home and garden cleaning needs.